Hey guys, it's been over 40 days since my fiance Arlene's mother passed away. And although I have been hesitant, very hesitant to posting this video, mostly because I wanted to ensure the privacy of the Buella and Juvenia's family, at the same time, I also wanted to share how beautiful Arlene's family is. The bond that they have for each other reminds me of the very same relationship that I have with my very own family back home in the States. This is for the
dinuguan. Cook for dinuguan.
Yeah.
The blood
of the pig.
Okay. And is that just baboy or goat?
Goat.
That's goat. Salve was an amazing and strong woman. I only had a few months to get to know her, but in those few months I saw someone who had a big heart, a strong woman filled with a very giving personality. And although she was a lady with only a few words, she instilled a peaceful and simplistic way for me to look at how life was living in the mountains here in Buhi. Forget everything in the world as we know it today. And all that really matters, at least for the most of us, is family and exploring God's playground. On the days leading up to her funeral, I had a chance to meet more of her siblings. From her brothers to her sisters, I was able to learn more about how she lived her life. Actually, just by hanging out with the family for a few days, I fully understood why they were so loving, hospitable, caring, and so very hardworking. It was Lola Salve and her way of guiding her kids and family that created the bond that they have today. On the day of Lola Salve's funeral, it was so emotional. I didn't know if I should keep my cameras running or just shut them off completely. But my heart is always about wanting to tell a story. And this was my way of sharing and celebrating one of the strongest women I've ever met. Watching Lola Salve being laid to rest was also very difficult. It made me appreciate my family even more and the life that I live. Watching Lola Salve's children mourn was very heartbreaking, but I know that this was also the beginning of something great. What I mean by that is that Lola Salve didn't want her passing away to be a day of sorrow. She wanted it to be a day of celebration, a day to celebrate the beginning of a new life for all of us, a day to celebrate her success. Lola Salve wanted us to take what she has taught us and to move on and live better lives. So, there is a happy ending to this video. Lola Salve's legacy will live on through her children and her grandchildren. It is now a time for happiness, a time to be thankful, and a time to love one another. Lola Salve, you will be missed. But with your passing, I see so much strength in the family, and it's all because of you. I thank you for your courage, your vision, and your love for your children, and I thank you for the beautiful daughter Arlene. I am so blessed, and I cannot be more happy. Lola Salve, your legacy will live on, we promise. May you rest in peace. We love you.